Mix some magic. And add some color to your life. Enjoy your new look. Welcome to the 30-second challenge show. Here in the studio with us are Redhead and the Blue-Eyed Girl. The rules are simple. You have 30 seconds to come up with an object or life hack using 3 randomly selected items. Your time starts now. Phew, tough selection. The girls have to make a decoration for their rooms. They grab whatever they can. Hold on, Blue Eyes. The rule is that you can only take 3 things, so kiss this brush goodbye. You can keep the canvas, paint, and the ruler. Apply 3 lines of acrylic paint onto the canvas. Spread the paint out using the ruler. Make a picture using a colorful palette and random paint strokes. And Redhead is putting a crayon into a hot glue gun. What's she got up her sleeve? Turn a plastic cup upside down. Insert crayons into a hot glue gun instead of glue. Put the melted crayons onto the cup. The wax drips down the sides, making a pretty pattern. I'm all done! Take a look at my painting. It's a line art masterpiece. My colorful cup is just as good. Let's compare. A ruler instead of a paintbrush? And a quick vase to decorate your room. Great work! Your next task, come up with a fast life hack for artists. Easy! To keep your water cup from tipping over, put rubber bands on it. Make dividers for the paintbrushes. Put the paintbrushes into the dividers. Your time starts now. The Blue-Eyed Girl quickly comes up with a useful brush organizer. And Redhead came up with a modeling tool out of an old paintbrush. Take the tip of the bristles off an old paintbrush. Glue on a sewing pin instead. Let's compare the results. This brush organizer is useful, practical, and easy to make. And the modeling tool, well, it's pretty unique. The next round of the 30-second challenge is all about beauty. Stop doing your makeup. Girls, you only have half a minute. You need to come up with a fast beauty life hack using 3 of these materials. Get some aloe lotion on a Q-tip. And apply it onto a cotton pad. Put the cotton pad soaked in lotion into a container from Q-tips. And use them as under-eye patches. And while Redhead is busy with the lotion, the Blue-Eyed Girl makes some lip gloss. Add silver eyeshadow into some plain old lip gloss. Mix thoroughly. Okay, let's see what you've made. What's all this? Silvery lip gloss that looks like stardust? And quick patches soaked with aloe vera? Very useful inventions. You don't think so? We can turn you into a beauty queen in under 30 seconds. Let's see how fast our girls can do their makeup. Each of you has 3 beauty products and your own face. Now do a party makeup look. Redhead, get started! Let me see what I have. Concealer, mascara, and a brush. It's not a lot, but it's enough for me. Cover your upper eyelid with a thick layer of concealer. Smudge the edge with your fingers. Line and smudge your lower eyelid. Dip a thin brush into mascara and draw winged eyeliner. Mascara is a great replacement for eyeliner. Then, do your eyelashes as usual. No lipstick? No problem! Color your lips with concealer. And outline the part of them with the brush with mascara. Apply a little mascara along the edges. Blur it with your fingers. Whoa! What an intense look! Perfect for a party! Minimum effort, maximum likes! What did the blue-eyed girl get? Blush, eyeliner, and rhinestones? Let's get to work! Apply the blush to your lips. Also cover your upper and lower eyelids with blush. Put blush on your cheekbones. Use your fingers as a brush. Go over your temples. Do a cat eye. Pick some rhinestones and decorate your face. This challenge is perfect for true beauty queens. Girls, you did an amazing job! You only had 3 items each, but you made perfect looks for going to a party. The 30-second challenge is headed to the kitchen to make a quick breakfast. What can you make out of 1 banana and an egg? I know! Add a chopped banana to a raw egg. Mix with a fork until it's a smooth consistency. And fry up some tasty banana pancakes. I love gummy bears, but I have to pair them with bread. Here's an idea. Put gummy bears on sandwich bread. Lay them out in a grid and microwave them for 15 seconds. The pancakes are done! And here's some gummy bread. But the judge isn't happy. These dishes are so boring. You have some time and 2 items to decorate your plates. The blue-eyed girl picked jam and a small dish. Put jam around the rim of a small round bowl. Make prints on a plate. Draw bubbles of different sizes. And Redhead is busy drawing with chocolate. Heat some chocolate over a candle. Draw thin branches and leaves with the melted chocolate. We are done decorating our plates. What do you think? Charmant, bellissimo! Now my breakfast is as beautiful as it is delicious. Time for the final round of the 30-second challenge. Choose 1 item from each category and combine them into something incredible. Your time starts now. Okay, a hot glue gun and a marker. Lip balm and a beauty blender. And from the kitchen? Oh, someone forgot their phone. It'll do. And an egg with candy. The blue-eyed girl starts decorating an egg. Put a beauty blender in a plastic egg. And decorate the egg with a permanent marker. And Redhead is struggling with her hot glue gun. Come on, heat up faster! Hot glue a round container of lip balm to a phone case. Your time is up! The blue-eyed girl's beauty blender holder looks stylish, trendy, and unique. What about Redhead? She's already tinting her lips with her new lip balm phone case. And our challenge show is over. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Did you like our speedy life hacks and crafts? Let us know in the comments about which fast life hack you'll use. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new challenges from Troom.